Hello and welcome to this course by Magenta Sky on how to teach craft workshops. This course is all about how to teach craft workshops, art workshops, and it provides you with hopefully a step-by-step guide to designing courses, teaching courses, and promoting art/creative workshops. And it's not just about teaching them, it's actually about making them really good, about promoting them, about how to price yourself, and to actually how to make a business out of this as well. So this video is all about an introduction to the course where we're going to tell you about what this course involves and how we're going to help you achieve what you want to achieve, and that's become a really great art or craft tutor. So welcome, this is me, my name is Susan Yeates, and I will be your course tutor throughout the next 6 modules. So let me move on to tell you a little bit more about how this course works and what you can expect from me and from the course over the following modules. So this course is an online course and it's designed specifically for artists and crafters. And this doesn't matter whether you're a complete beginner, an amateur, intermediate, or whether you're an actual professional artist. It doesn't matter what your level of skill is. What we want to try to do is help you and give you a blueprint for teaching really great courses and workshops. So taking the practical skills and the knowledge that you have within your specific craft or art topic and area, and show you how to teach that to other people so other people can learn from all the brilliant knowledge that you yourself have. And what we've done is we've split this course down into 6 individual video modules, and these are broken down further into individual little videos. We've also included some handy documents, and I'll let you into a secret. We've got a bonus module at the end as well, which will help you once you've got to our end objective, which is actually teaching a workshop or course. So there's a secret bonus module that we're going to throw in to kind of help you get even further, because I do want you to really succeed in your course teaching. So before I go any further, I'm going to go over a few little bits and pieces now. I won't repeat these at the start of every video, so I'm going to do this once, and it's just worth bearing in mind every time you come to a video, you come to studying, to try to sort out your distractions. So a good thing to do is to turn off your mobile phone, or if you're working within an office or somewhere you could get disturbed, get somebody else to filter for you to answer the phone or stop people from disturbing you. Make sure you shut down your email and find a quiet space where you can sit and learn and take in the information that we're giving you here on this course. Although you might be on the internet obviously studying the course, it's a good idea to close things like Facebook and Twitter that have notifications that pop up. We don't want any distractions. And I'd suggest it's probably a good idea to get a brand new notebook or sketchbook and take lots of notes, because we're going to cover quite a lot of information within a short period of time within each video. So you might want to take notes, write down the important things, or just write down your action points or your to-do list from the videos that you watch. But don't worry, you don't watch these videos once and they're gone. We can replay the videos as many times as you want, just to make sure that you haven't missed out on anything. Sometimes we find that you watch something a first time, you get a general feel for what's involved, and then you can replay again and maybe go in smaller stages and take it in just a little bit more. So it's completely up to you how you digest and process the information that we provide you within this course. So before we go any further, here is our course overview. 6 modules. Module 1, we're going to show you how to choose what type of topic you could be teaching in your course or your workshop. In Module 2, we'll discuss venues and location, how to decide on what venue or location to actually choose. In Module 3, we're going to go through the business of running workshops and look at some of the more important things that happen in the background, things you need to do, things like health and safety and accounts and bits and bobs like that. In Module 4, really important, we're going to look at marketing your workshops, so how you actually get people on your course, which is important. You don't want to be teaching to yourself, you want to have students that are keen and interested there sitting that you can teach them. Module 5 will talk about all the preparation leading up to the day itself, to whenever you're teaching, and on Module 6 we'll go through what to do on the actual day, so the stages that you need to go through, the things you need to do on the day, and how to structure your course, how to prepare, the things to bring along. So the idea is that by studying this course from modules 1 to 6, we're going to guide you through stage at a time to actually getting to run a workshop. So whether you're absolutely terrified about getting in front of people and talking to people, and I know I absolutely was the first time I taught people at a workshop. I think I even had a glass of wine. I was so nervous about talking to people and standing up in front of people. And with time and experience, over sort of 15 years of teaching, I love teaching people. I love sharing my knowledge. So really think about teaching your skills as a way of talking to other people who are interested in your art and your craft, and how to share your skills and how to encourage other people to be creative. That's what this is all about. So a quick discussion about me, because obviously I'm talking here at you, but it's nice to understand who I am and where I come from, so you know what experience that I have. It's a lovely picture of me about 10 years ago when I was in a printmaking studio there. And my background is that I am a tutor. I still run workshops today. I did a fine art printmaking degree, completed that in 2002. I currently live in Woking in Surrey, that's where I'm based, and I love all sorts of arts and crafts. Primarily I love printmaking, but I do loads of sewing, crochet, drawing, dressmaking. If I'm making something, I am super happy. So over the years I've taught lots of different craft and art workshops to lots of different people of different age ranges, age groups, and in different locations. And I love teaching workshops, and unfortunately I can't teach enough. So what I want to do here within this course is teach you how to teach great classes and great art workshops where people really come out of it feeling like they've achieved something. So what I'm using within this course is my knowledge from over 10 years of teaching workshops to share with you how you can do this as well. I'm kind of giving you a fast track way to succeed in teaching workshops, so that you don't have to go through some of the trial and error that I had to go through when I very first set up. So a little quote here from myself: I just love making stuff. And from small beginnings teaching art, printmaking, I've actually expanded to teaching other techniques such as sewing, crochet, and other creative projects. And sharing my knowledge, ideas, and motivating others to be creative is exactly what I'm all about. And that's very true. I really believe this, and this is why I am here on this course, trying to share my knowledge with you so that hopefully you can teach very successful craft and art workshops as well. So I set up my company Magenta Sky back in 2003, so I've been running the business for a little while, and again it started very small, and over the years I've taught more classes, different types of workshops, I've gone into different venues, and I've also written several books. So I still teach art and craft, and I make money from it. So what I want to do within this whole course is show you how I do it. So show you how I have created workshops, my system for doing this, and it pretty much is a formula. Once you know what you're doing, you can go out and repeat this and hopefully make either a part-time income or a full-time income from it, depending on where you're coming from and what you're looking to do. So the 3 craft books that I've written are here. My first one was in 2011, all about lino cut, so a specific printmaking book on a very niche topic. I then moved on to teaching crochet, so I've got amigurumi animals there, and I also did one specifically on making Christmas tree decorations, so a complete mixture of crafts. So I've branched out into different areas. I love writing, I like sharing knowledge, so I do this through face-to-face courses, and then I've also written craft books as well, so I love sharing knowledge with other people. And we've collaborated here for this online course with a company called learnTopic, who provide online training and e-learning. So learnTopic was launched as a platform for e-learning, and what this course hopefully brings together is creativity, so the creativity of making things, of creating things, whatever they may be, and then business skills to help you actually run courses with kind of a business hat on, so that you really enjoy what you're doing, you share your knowledge, you share your creativity, but you also ethically make money from this and can hopefully make a living, or at least a part-time income, perhaps if you're either returning to work or would like to do something on top of a full-time job that uses your creative skills. Maybe you craft from home as a part-time hobby and you want to actually turn this into something. Personally, I started this to fund my creativity, because we all know that art materials can be expensive, so I sort of branched into this to be able to earn my own money so that I can buy more materials, and I buy lots of materials. Well, that's by the by. So let's talk about our methodology. So our methodology here within this course is all about micro-learning, so little bits of information. So I'm going to try and cut down the videos into small short bursts so you can take them on board and learn in little stages. It's also about structured progression. So our course is logically structured. We start from the beginning and each module builds on the previous module. So we don't start at the end, we start at the beginning, we work up stage at a time and obviously finish with the actual running of the workshop or the class itself. And this course, this isn't a theoretical course, this is very much a practical course. We want you to just literally take away these skills, put them into practice and kind of do stuff. So this is very much, we want you to learn online. It's all this self-study, taking on board the information, but we also want you to go and do. So what we're going to do is also set you homework throughout the course that you will need to achieve and participate by the end of each module. So each module, very much like this introductory video, is full of video content. So you'll be watching a PowerPoint, listening to me speak and talk to you, sharing my knowledge, and we're combining this marketing business knowledge and industry understanding, as in knowledge of the craft and art world, together within this course. Now, if you have any queries, you need any feedback at all, there's a couple of email addresses you can actually contact us at. We have info@learnTopic.com. You can also contact info@magenta-sky.com. So any questions, any queries that you have about the course or any problems that you're coming up against, any challenges, any blocks, if you can't quite think of something that you need to think of, don't worry, contact us and we can hopefully help you and guide you through this course. At the end of the day, we want you to succeed, and we will also be setting up a special Facebook group where all of you on the course can talk to each other, discuss ideas, share ideas, and hopefully support each other to actually achieve what you're looking to achieve, which is teaching brilliant workshops. We will offer a certificate of achievement at the end of the course as well, and that is hoping that you actually complete the homework at the end of each module. So at the end of each module we'll ask you to complete something, to do something, and if you do that, you achieve that, by the time you get to the end of the course you'll have a certificate of achievement. So I'm not going to talk any more about the course, we want to get stuck in. So before I move on, before this video ends, I'd like to say a massive welcome to this course. I'm really excited to be working with you, and enjoy the course. Let's get started.